If American muscle cars run in your blood and you don't want to miss the most powerful machines ever built, hit that subscribe button now and join the Howcar USA family where legends are born. Welcome back to the channel, where we break down the most powerful and luxurious SUVs shaping the future. Today we are taking a deep look at the next generation 2025 Nissan Patrol, a full-size luxury SUV that is aiming to challenge legends like the Toyota LandCruiser and even rival premium rivals from Lexus and Range Rover. Starting with the exterior, the new Nissan Patrol carries a bold, commanding body shape that feels even more premium and muscular than before. In white color, the Patrol looks especially elegant and upscale, a shade that American buyers often prefer for large luxury SUVs because it highlights size, strength, and clean design. The bonnet is wide and sculpted, giving the front end a powerful road presence while also improving forward visibility for the driver. At the front, the Patrol features a large, confident grille paired with redesigned LED headlights. The headlights are wider and brighter, giving excellent night visibility and a modern luxury look. Integrated LED indicators are sharp and clean, enhancing safety while keeping the design premium. The front bumper feels solid and rugged, clearly designed for both city driving and off-road confidence. From the sides, the Patrol shows its true full-size SUV character. The tall stance, long wheelbase, and wide body give it a commanding appearance on American highways. Traditional door handles make it practical and easy to use, while strong shoulder lines and large alloy wheels add to the luxury feel. Roof rails are included, a feature Americans love for road trips, cargo carriers, and outdoor gear. At the back, the Patrol looks wide and planted. The LED tail lights stretch across the rear, giving the SUV a strong and modern identity. The back lights are bright and clear, improving visibility at night and in bad weather. The tailgate is large and practical, making loading luggage, groceries, or camping equipment effortless. The rear bumper is designed to handle light off-road use while still looking refined. Under the hood is where the biggest transformation happens. The 2025 Nissan Patrol replaces its old V8 with a brand new 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 petrol engine. This engine produces approximately 449 horsepower and an impressive 698 Nm of torque, delivering stronger performance than before while improving efficiency. Power is sent through a new 9-speed automatic transmission, which offers smoother shifts, better acceleration, and improved fuel economy compared to the previous 7-speed unit. In terms of performance, the new Patrol feels quicker, more responsive, and more refined. The twin-turbo setup delivers strong low-end torque, making highway overtakes and towing effortless. Acceleration is smooth and confident, while the advanced transmission keeps the engine in its optimal power range. This setup allows the Patrol to compete directly with the LandCruiser 300 and Lexus LX, offering more power than both in petrol form. The suspension system is another major highlight. The new Patrol features air suspension with adaptive dampers, allowing the SUV to remain comfortable on highways while still capable off-road. This system also improves cabin quietness and ride quality, something American luxury SUV buyers highly value. Whether cruising on long road trips or navigating rough terrain, the Patrol remains calm and controlled. Inside, the interior has been completely redesigned to feel more luxurious and modern. The cabin is spacious, refined, and built with premium materials. The seats are wide, soft, and supportive, making long journeys extremely comfortable. Higher trims are expected to offer leather upholstery, heated and ventilated seats, and power adjustments for both front and rear passengers. The dashboard design is clean and high-tech, featuring large digital displays for the driver and infotainment system. Expect a fully digital instrument cluster, a large central touchscreen, navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, premium audio, and multiple USB ports. Physical buttons remain for key controls, which many American drivers still prefer. Passenger space is excellent across all rows, making the Patrol ideal for large families. The third row is usable for adults, and cargo space remains generous even with all seats in place. This makes it perfect for family trips, long vacations, and daily luxury driving. Safety and driver assistance features are expected to include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and 360-degree camera systems, all essential features for modern American SUVs. In the United States market, the expected starting price for the 2025 Nissan Patrol is estimated to be around $65,000, with fully loaded luxury trims potentially reaching $80,000 or more, depending on features and packages. The next-generation Nissan Patrol is no longer just a rugged SUV. It is now a powerful, luxurious, and technologically advanced full-size SUV designed to compete with the best in the world. Strong engine performance, premium comfort, modern design, and serious road presence make it a serious alternative to the LandCruiser. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future Nissan Patrol, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more exclusive SUV reviews and first looks.